Sir, I thank Uttam Kumar Reddy Saab for giving a reply, sir. And I also thank Kadiyam Srihari Saab for once again replying. So I don't want to go into the detail. The only thing I would say that, sir, he is right in his place. He is also right, sir. But at the same time, bonds existed then. World Bank loan also existed then. Now, after the formation of Telangana, what Irrigation Minister Saab says that corporations were formed and corporation took the loan, that is also right. This also cannot be denied, that also cannot be denied. Sir, going further ahead, sir. Yeah, it is. No doubt, sir. So the white paper, page number 27 to 29, sir, the list out the 24 ongoing loan-based project for which the administrative sanction cost of rupees 2,93,440.48 crore, the loan raised so far amount of rupees 1,95,666.58 crore, that is 66.68%, and the balance loan to be raised are rupees 97,773.90 crores, sir. So these projects envisage creation of irrigation potential of 73.58 lakh acres, and out of this, the IP created till now is only 20 lakhs 51,000 acres, that is 27.87%, and the balance IP to be created is 53.09 lakh acres, sir. And this is as per the white paper, sir. So what I am trying to explain is that, sir, कि हम इतना पैसा खर्च करें, sir, कि the amount that has been spent is almost 67%, but हम जो क्रिएट करे हैं सर, जो लैंड को हम आयाकुत में लाए हैं, it is only 27%, sir. So this is what I need a clarification from Honorable Minister Saab, sir. On page 9 of the white paper, 22 ongoing projects are listed, and the IP contemplated under these projects is 48.616 lakh acres, sir. The IP created so far is 15.81 lakhs, and the balance IP to be created is 32.35 lakh acres, sir. I don't know which figure to believe, sir. There are two figures. Sir, this is on page number 9, sir, of the white paper, sir. Sir, however, the government has to raise the funds for completion of all the ongoing projects so that the balance IP is created in the state to benefit the farmers. The state budget and the budgetary allocation includes three components: revenue account, capital account, and loans. The loans taken and serviced by the government are shown in the state budget, and these are different from the loans taken as extra budgetary resources for the corporation, for which the state government stands a guarantee. As to what Honorable Minister Saab had said, sir. So table number 7 on major irrigation projects funding details show the budgetary allocation and loan share, which also do not match with the actual figures, sir. It doesn't match, sir. No figure is matching, sir. Table 8, sir, on share of irrigation budget versus GSDP also do not give the accurate figures on irrigation allocation and share in GSDP, sir. Sir, also the details of major projects undertaken with the corporation loan cited in the white paper on irrigation do not match with the figures cited elsewhere in the same papers and also in the white paper on the state finances, sir. So the irrigation white paper says loans taken for Kaleshwaram and PRLS through KIPCL amount to rupees 68,806 crores, and the loans taken by TSWRIDCL for various other projects amount to rupees 15,284 crores, and the total loan amount of two corporations comes to 84,090 crores. The white paper on state finances, in table 10 shows that the loan availed by KIPCL amount to rupees 79,287 crores, and loan borrowed by TRSWRIDCL amount to 15,284 crores, and total comes to 94,575 crores. So how can it be, sir, कि आप एक पेपर इस हाउस में दे रहे हैं, उसमें एक अमाउंट है, व्हाइट पेपर में एक अमाउंट है, ये पेपर भी आपने दिया, वो पेपर भी आपने दिया. But how can this be? One paper was presented by the finance minister, one paper is now being presented by the irrigation minister. So which paper is right, sir? Which paper is right? Who is right, sir? I would like the minister sahab to clarify on the variation in all the figures cited in the irrigation white paper, sir. Sir, how can we have a healthy debate and a discussion when the figures itself are wrong? So we don't know how much of wrong information is also being given and shown. I have gone through a lot of documents, including budget books, CAG reports, and account on my findings are follows, sir. Sir, as per the budgetary data, sir. Sir, if I am wrong, sir, I have this paper, sir. Through you, I can send this to Honorable Minister Saab also, if he wants, sir, when I complete, or if he wants, he can see it, sir. Sir, I have gone through a lot of documents, including budget books, CAG reports, and accounts, and my findings are as follows, sir. Sir, as per budgetary data since the formation of Andhra Pradesh state in 1953 and Andhra Pradesh in 1956, the total expenditure on irrigation and command area development sector between 1951 and 52 to 1998 and 99 aggregated to rupees 8,773.78 crores. However, there is a big jump on budgetary expenditure on irrigation and the CAD from the year 99-2000 onwards. The TDP government spent 13,079.51 crores during 5-year periods, that is from 99-2000 to 2003 and 4. They had spent 13,079.51. The successor Congress government spent 1,41,882.35 crores in 10 years period, that is 2004 and 5 to 2013 and 14 in United Andhra Pradesh. The total expenditure on irrigation in United AP from 1951-52 to 2013 and 14 comes to 1,63,735.64 crore, and this includes the expenditure on revenue, capital and loan accounts also. Subsequently, sir, after the formation of Telangana state, the BRS government spent 1,41,041.32 crores in 10 years period, that is from 2014 and 15 to 2023-24, including budget estimate of rupees 26,868.91 crores in the year 2023 and 2024, the current financial year, I mean. As per the details cited by white paper on irrigation and state finances, the loan amount of rupees 94,572 crores raised by two SPVs and KPICL and TSWRIDCL are actually government guarantee loans serviced by the government. Right. This means that these loans do not form a part of state budget allocation for irrigation department and are actually extra budgetary resources raised by the concerned corporations. If we, now, it is very important, sir. If we add these loans raised by the two corporations to the budgetary expenditure of irrigation by Telangana government in the last 10 years, the total figure comes to 2,35,613.32 crore. This is budgetary expenditure of rupees 1,41,041.32 crores and loan amount of 94,572. Sir, so I would request the Irrigation Minister Sahab, Mr. Uttam Kumar Reddy Sahab, and Deputy CM Sahab, Bhatti Vikrama Sahab, to clarify on all issues regarding the allocations and loans for the state irrigation sector. This is very important, sir. It has not been shown properly and corrected. Sir, the irrigation projects include the project that we completed, ongoing projects and proposed projects. Most of the ongoing are the ones which were sanctioned in United AP, and some of these remain ongoing for 4 decades or even more SLBCs in case in point, as the work is going on since 1980s, sir. So talking about Krishna Basin project, the white paper points out that the paper says that the previous Telangana government agreed for allocation of 299 TMC of water and 512 TMC to AP from Krishna without considering the state needs. The white paper, page number 5, says that based on Krishna Basin catchment area in Telangana, the state is entitled to get 68.5% of water. That is 555 TMC out of total allocation of 811 TMC for the 2 states. Here I may once again recall that in the representation on Krishna waters in the House earlier, sir, in the presentation which was made in this House, sir, earlier, the Irrigation Minister Saab had stated for the 29 completed ongoing contemplated projects on Krishna in the state of Telangana need 731 TMC. 731 TMC. I would request the Irrigation Minister Saab to enlighten on this, as the 555 TMC being sought by the Congress government will not be sufficient for all these 29 projects in Telangana. Am I right or wrong? Sir, I am thankful that the Irrigation Minister Saab had recalled the contribution of Nizam in the overall development of the erstwhile Hyderabad state, especially in implementing several important irrigation projects across Telangana, including Nizam Sagar, Upper Manar, Usman Sagar, Himayat Sagar, Pocharam, Sadarmat, Sarvana, Kadam, Sarala Sagar, Fatehnagar, Vaira, etc. Sir. I may say that Ali Sagar was also built in Nizamabad district, and it is incidentally the name of the noted engineer Nawab Ali Nawaz Jung in the Nizam era, sir. So the Sadarmat and Ghanpur project constructed in Nizam era were strong enough for the 100 years and provided water to the Ayakat. There are many issues which have been highlighted by the white paper, and I was listening to the elaborate presentation of the Irrigation Minister Saab, Mohtaram Uttam Kumar Reddy Saab, and the debate that followed, in which former Irrigation Minister Harish Rao Saab also spoke. Sir, before I conclude, I would like to raise a few issues and seek answers from the government, sir. Sir, the first, what is the intent of new government with regard to the issue of completion of all ongoing irrigation projects and execution of the contemplated projects in the state, sir? Do we have water availability in Godavari and Krishna and their tributaries for existing, ongoing, contemplated projects, and what the total quantum of water required for these projects in the state in terms of TMC for Godavari and Krishna, sir? This is very important, sir. Sir, the reason why I'm asking this is, sir, हम देखे हैं आंध्र प्रदेश असेंबली में, रायलसीमा में भी कई ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए हुए हैं, सर. प्रोजेक्ट्स बन के हैं लेकिन सूखे पड़े हैं, पानी आता नहीं, वैसे ही पड़े हुए हैं. तो सर, वी नीड टू रीलुक इनटू आवर प्रोजेक्ट्स आल्सो. रायलसीमा के वैसा नहीं होना है कि प्रोजेक्ट बन गया, खड़े हुए हैं, पानी तो रहता ही नहीं. तो यहां पर भी होना चाहिए. सर, this is why I'm requesting this, sir. Sir, all these ongoing and contemplated projects viable in terms of water availability, feasibility and utility, sir. Sir, these water availability, feasibility and utility is very important, sir. I'm sorry to say that, sir. Do not think that I'm criticizing the previous governments, the Congress, TDP or BRS. No, sir. But this is very important, sir. Sir, never there has been a discussion on the availability of the water, never there has been a discussion on the feasibility of the project, and never there has been a discussion on the utility, sir. पानी कहां से आएगा, पानी उठाने के लिए पावर कहां से आएगा, और वो पावर पे कितना खर्च होगा, पावर होने के बाद में फ्री पंप सेट पर कितना पावर होगा, और उसके बाद कितनी जमीन सैराब होगी, इस पर किसी ने गौर नहीं किया. And then the viability of a project should also be discussed. Unfortunately, sir, never there has been any discussion on the viability of a project, sir. I'm sorry to say, sir. And please excuse me, I'm not using this term for anyone, but I feel that ye irrigation projects have become an ATM. Have become an ATM. पहले के लिए और आने वालों के लिए या फिर इसके लिए 20 बरस से सर I am discussing on this ATM project, sir. Irrigation to complete the ongoing and contemplated project is rupees 1,75,143 crores. Sir, I don't know whether we have the water availability and required power for all these irrigation projects. More importantly, do we have the financial resources available to the government for completion of the ongoing contemplated projects, sir? Sir, through you, sir, without blaming anyone, I would like to make one suggestion to the government. Please prepare a draft action plan on irrigation sector and convey an all-party meeting to elicit views and suggestions from the political parties. There has to be consensus on what the state is doing in the key infrastructure sector, as the agriculture sector is the main source of livelihood for the farming community. It is very important, sir. Viability, feasibility has to be studied. हम पैसे पे पैसा खर्चते जा रहे हैं, पानी कहां से आएगा? पहला सवाल। अगर पानी आ गया तो वो पानी को लिफ्ट करने के लिए पावर कहां से आएगा? अगर पावर भी आ गया तो फ्री पंप पे फिर क्या? फिर उसके बाद क्या is it I mean, as in any business, an investor looks into the investment and also the returns after the investment. What are the returns, sir? What are the returns? It is very unfortunate, sir. Sir, मैं कह रहा हूं कि with a very heavy heart I am talking today, sir. Very heavy heart. कि पैसा किस तरीके से जा रहा है, चाहे वो हो या कोई और हो, बस खाली खर्चते हैं प्रोजेक्ट्स पे। अरे फायदा कितना हो रहा है, किसान को कितनी मदद हो रही है, स्टेट कितना प्रॉस्पर हो रहा है। स्टेट की प्रॉस्पेरिटी को किसी को फिक्र नहीं है, अपनी अपनी प्रॉस्पेरिटी के ऊपर तवज्जो दी जा रही है। एटीएम मशीन की तरह पैसा निकल रहा है और लोग खुशहाल हो रहे हैं। रियासत में हमारी खुशहाली नहीं दिखाई देती है। सर, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट द गवर्नमेंट टू टेक ऑल स्टेप्स to ensure that Kaleshwaram project is restored to safety before the monsoon, sir. Sir, regarding the financial irregularities and technical flaws and lapses in the Kaleshwaram project, I would say the government is free to order whatever type of inquiry and investigation it wants. Harish Rao Saab also has said, they are free, sir. But, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, I would like to remind that the irrigation department, engineers, officials are not the ones responsible for whatever has happened, and they should not be made, sir, scapegoats for the financial irregularities and technical flaws in the Kaleshwaram project, sir. ऐसा ही होता है कि बड़े बड़े लोगों के झगड़े में एक गरीब पीसे में आ जाता है। ये बड़ों के झगड़ों में गरीब को ना पीसे, गरीब को ना सजा दें। और आपने जो मुझे मौका दिया है, इसके लिए मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं स्पीकर साहब, और उम्मीद करता हूं कि हुकूमत की जानिब से जो सवालात मैंने उठाए हैं उसका मुझे मौसर जवाब मिलेगा। आई थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी, सर।
श्री राजगोपाल रेड्डी गाరు.
I'll just finish whatever I have.
Minister.